Have you ever wondered how a body can function with so many different parts working at the same time? And how all these parts know what their job is to keep you alive? Well, let me introduce you to an incredible lady named Rosalind Franklin, who made the most important scientific discovery of the 20th century. Hi, my name is Amy the Scientist, and I'm here to explain to you about DNA. Rosalind Franklin was born in London, July 25th, 1920. Most women in those days were expected to prepare themselves to be a wife and then mothers and not have much of a career. Franklin was raised in a way that challenged this expectation and allowed her to follow her passion of studying physics and chemistry. Once studying these subjects, she decided she wanted to be a scientist. She was accepted into university, studying science, and became a scientist. Franklin studied areas of molecular biology and crystallography. She studied all about X-ray diffractions and how valuable they are. X-ray diffraction can be understood in simple terms of atoms that scatter in a way that they can produce an image and provide information about a molecule. During the 1950s, the only information anyone knew about DNA was that it was a genetic material, but no one was sure. Franklin used her skills learnt throughout her life and thrived researching this molecule. The term DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid and is one of the two acids that are found in the cells in our body that allows our body to run smoothly. Every human is made up of trillions and trillions of cells. There are that many cells that there are over 200 jobs. Some detect light, some pass oxygen throughout the body, some even help us digest our food. DNA, in simple terms, can be seen as a source of instructions which tells the little important cells what their job is going to be. It is in every cell in our body, otherwise they wouldn't know what they are doing. These instructions are written in a special alphabet and are only 4 letters long. I know, right? It's crazy. These letters are A, T, C, and G, which stand for adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Each letter has a best friend that they are always bonded to. A and T are always together, and C and G are always together. Unlike a typical instruction book, DNA has a unique shape. It's not hard, flat, or boring. In fact, it's an interesting curved ladder, which has kept the name the double helix, which is a twisted ladder made up of the 2 sets of best friends. Rosalind Franklin was the first to discover this information about the molecule, and had taken a famous image known as Photo 51. It shows the clear structure and shape of the DNA molecule, yet at the time she did not receive proper recognition of her work, as James Watson and Francis Crick claimed her work as their own. Rosalind sadly passed away when she was 37 and did not live to see Watson and Crick receive a Nobel Prize. Watson, when receiving this prize, stood up for Franklin and states that she should have received the Nobel Prize. The discoveries Rosalind made were and are still incredibly important to research and the understanding of DNA.